Welcome.
Hey everyone, today we are going to be doing in fragrance distillation as a way to have an at-home activity for this month's Cosmetic chemistry event. You're going to need some water, some ice, cheesecloth, colander, not coriander, mortar and pestle, or something else to crush it. You could use a rolling pin, tenderizing mallet, anything like that, just as long as it can crush what you're going to be extracting your fragrance from. Next, you're going to need something to extract fragrance from, like an herb or something citrusy, or you can even use flowers. You'll want like a small heat-proof bowl and maybe a couple extras just in case for something later. You can also, if you are using citrus, you want a zester instead of a mortar and pestle type situation. And obviously, the biggest important thing is that you need a slow cooker with like a dome lid, or you can use a pot as well. So then, getting into it, first thing is first, you're gonna add just some water to your slow cooker, just like enough to like have like a couple inches in it, and then you're gonna take your colander, and then you are going to set it up here. If you need something to hold it up, this one has a handle, so it's kind of a little bit awkward for us, but if you want something to hold it up, you can use some of these extra bowls to do that. So then, next, you are going to take whatever you're extracting from, and you are going to, either for herbs and flowers, you're going to crush it in mortar and pestle. For citrus, you're going to zest it. So I'm going to do rosemary. And you're going to take it off of its stem here. Okay, there we go. And then you're going to crush it. And then you're going to take whatever you're using, and you're going to put it on a cheesecloth and wrap it up. And then you're going to put this into the colander, and you kind of want something like that where it's just kind of in the center. And you're also going to put the small bowl in the center. That's going to collect your fragrance extract. Then you're going to put your lid on inverted like this, so that the handle is like right over the bowl. So that. Then you are going to take some ice. Just a decent amount of ice, and then you're going to set your slow cooker to low. And then you're going to just like let this sit for a couple hours, check it back like every hour. It might take multiple hours for it to extract. And it really depends on like how much you want, because sometimes, since obviously there'll be more the longer it goes, both because it's building up a lot of water and a lot of the extract. So what this is a distillation, which is where we cause whatever we want to extract to evaporate, and then we cause it to go back into a liquid state in a separate container from whatever we're trying to extract it from. And like there's kind of a more precise version over here. So in here, we have what we're trying to extract from boiling on this part, And then what's happening is that it's heating up and evaporating and going through this tube, and this tube has cool water, kind of like our ice on our domed lid over here. And then it's going down into this, where there's like an ice bath to further encourage it to turn back into liquid form. And that'll be in our extracted oil. Because a lot of like fragrances are just like compounds that are in kind of like an oily form. They're just like in whatever has their smell. Okay everyone, so after an hour you should see something like this. So it's mainly going to be water, but you're also going to notice that you have fragrance coming from it as well. So there is going to be some essential oil, but it's going to be very diluted. So yeah, thank you for watching. Stay curious.